What is up, chat? कोई अभी है नहीं. Wait, let me set up stream. Professional. We're late, but शाश्वत है नहीं अभी late बोलने के लिए. So before he comes, we're gonna send everyone the link and whatnot. चलो भाई, Discord पे आ जाओ. So मेरे को पानी भरना है and मेरे को चाय बनाना है. So I should prepare that also. But let me just pop out like chat and all. Oh, my God, probably background music. Right? I've got background music like in my headphones, which I don't know. Oh, that is loud. Damn, I'll decrease that thoda. What was I gonna do? Yeah, okay. At least stream के लिए lo-fi is good and pop out chat just a little bit. Okay. I think. Oh my God, Shivank, what's up? I'm going to remove myself from chat. GitHub है, Discord पे डाल दिया है. Okay, we should probably stream on x.com, the everything app also. So let's do that after मैं पानी भर के आता हूँ. I will be right back. Just camera कैसे बंद करूँ? I'll be right back. मैं 1 मिनट में आया. Okay, we're back. I think we can skip chat. सीधा पानी से काम चला रही हूँ. इसमें पानी है क्या? हाँ, perfect. Okay, so what is this stream's plan? We're gonna make a desktop app with Electron. मैं Electron का documentation पढ़ रहा था, which is pretty interesting. And before that, let's see. The thing is, I don't want to like get copyright YouTube का. So let me try something. In the sense मेरा एक में गाना चल रहा है, which is obviously like copyright हो सकता है उस पे. But let me shift that to 9. तब तक फिगर आउट करना है कि like x.com का कैसे करता है. Live broadcast, create broadcast. What is stream का title? अरे where is the stream title? I can technically share my screen, but in case I leak any stream keys, I am preventing myself from doing that. तो उसका देखते हैं. Oh, program is not a category. Is tech technically a category? Sure. Create a source. Source name. I don't know. Stream source. Select a region. This would make sense, right? So if I create a source is created. Okay, I don't really care about that. Done. Stream URL दिख गया, stream key दिख गया. Audience is public, private only I can see this broadcast. Chat is verified account or yeah, I think everyone can chat. schedule start immediately. I think we can start. I think also I have to keep my back straight, dude. मैं बार-बार like नीचे हो जाता हूँ. I think we started. शक्ल दिख रही है क्या? Oh, but the question is like, what can I even see on the stream, right? नहीं? Like, मैंने stream start तो कर दिया, but I have the stream URL and the stream key. Wait, let me try something. If you want to leave the studio, nope. Don't want to leave the studio, but hey, x.com पे आ गया क्या? Live stream का कुछ? Can anyone check? अगर हो गया. Oh, I can see myself live. That's great. But what else? Is it just a blank screen? की शक्ल दिख रही है at least. Live stream. Source skip for now. Live stream title. It's just loading. Yeah, because I need to like. How do I stream the thing? Claude, good Claude. I just hope like RAM and all samal paye mera laptop or whatever, like just memory in general. See, it's already increasing, which I don't like. Here. In app. Stream URL and stream key. I don't want to use OBS. Is it possible to stream with anything else? Anything else? I'm on Arch, by the way. Yeah, it's loading, no? Even मेरे को भी like वही दिख रहा है. The media could not be played. Reload. Yeah, that's expected. FFM peg is the FFM peg? Bro, that would be insane. Wait, I have to try that. No way. FFM peg is the most direct. It's basically what everything else is. Yeah. Okay, your pipe, blah blah blah. Okay, one command GUI needed. Just combine stream key like that. Okay. Stream link is more. Oh no. Oh. Dude. We have to try FFM peg. Am I on X11 or Wayland? X11, right? Probably. What are you capturing? My screen, my webcam, my microphone, and yeah, that's probably it. Okay. Oh, dude. Okay. Stream key and stream URL, right? Where is my stream URL? It's this one, right? Hey, आजा भाई. I'll put this here so that like in case hack ho jaye. Oh, error opening the thing because not enough frames to render. Oh no, wait. How do we? I'm already also streaming with StreamYard on YouTube, but I want to use FFmpeg to stream on Twitter. I'm getting this error basically. Why can't I use like... Dude, if you can stream with FFmpeg, that's insane. The fix is V42. It creates a virtual camera device that multiple apps can read from. Install. Oh, I have to do all that. Okay, let's try. Why not? Why not? Why not? Is that the right password? Now I just hope I don't leak my stream key. उसके अलावा सब ठीक है. Which I think like if I don't load this one, कहाँ से दिखाऊँ? Okay, I think I can share my screen for this. 1 second. All right. Okay. Where is my setup? Perfect. Okay. This is x.com, but technically to. Whoa. Arey. Okay. Let me try something. Wait, I don't think I can share my screen for this thing. 1 second. Yeah, let's just co-work for a bit. तब से अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ bro. We'll just like skip it. Why are you not here? Should I do it with ye? अबे तुम्हें पैकेट का नाम तो दिखाई दे रहा है, but like still not sure why it's not. Feed your real webcam into the virtual one. So I have to remember that. Ended. Why did the live stream end? What? Okay. अबे कैमरा कहाँ गया? Oh, okay. Wait, what? I'm so confused. What happened? Is everything loading? Did x.com the everything app just crash? आ जाओ अपनी स्टेज पे। आ गया क्या? आर वी बैक? क्रैश होने पे 4 लोग देख रहे हैं। ओके, मैं अपने इस पर देख सकता हूँ। चैट में भी कुछ कॉन्फर्मेशन दे दो। थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओके, सो स्ट्रीमर ट्विटर फेल्ड, व्हिच इज फाइन। बाद में करेंगे इसको। Anyway, let's come back to some Electron, dude. Yeah, hey, what's up, Shivam? Okay, let's do some Electron, but seriously, अभी like काफी time waste हो गया वैसे भी. Yep. Okay. I also share like Excalibur का thing that I have. एक second ये निकाल देता हूँ. Entire screen, I guess. Okay, दिख रहा है? Great. Where is my stream thing? There you go. Perfect. Okay, so, oh, by the way, yeah, I was making a gradient picker from scratch. Pretty fun. Anyway, this is irrelevant. Tumhara. So I was going through Electron docs, and it's actually pretty good. You know, when people say like it literally embeds a whole engine तुम्हारे उसमें, like a browser, like engine browser V8. So the working of it is also exactly the same, which makes sense. But if you go here, you go to process model, is the first thing that they say कि like it inherits this architecture from Chromium. So basically, तुम्हारे browsers में and Electron में also you have something called you have two processes basically, mainly. एक तुम्हारा है main process and दूसरा तुम्हारा है renderer process. Now the thing is, your main process will spin up a lot of renderer process. So you can think of it like तुम्हारा ये main process है. Okay. Yeah, तुम्हारा main process है. This every time you open a screen, like you open a browser window, right? So for example, I'm sharing my screen, right? Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So every time, like for example, this is what we're going to work on thoda. What is this? It's irrelevant, but जो भी है. If I open this, तुम देखोगे कि तुम्हारे इस पे वैसे तो crash होएगा ये, because कुछ है नहीं इसमें. 1 second. अरे भाई तुम अलग ही. ESX. Return. Hi. So if you see over here, there you go. Hi. So the way that this works is, and also thanks to Mihir, because he told me to use a Electron White का Wheat whatever का तुम्हारा plugin or something जो भी setup का वो था. So I did that, and turns out it's much easier because तुम्हारे source में जाओगे, you have these three things, right? Main, preload, and renderer. So basically to give a gist of that, तुम्हारा एक main process होता है. This thing that you see, this whole thing, the application, this is being opened by a browser window का object or a class rather. So that will be happening in the main process जहाँ पे इधर है. Now this browser window basically क्या कर रहा है कि तुम्हारा हर एक browser window जो होता है, which I don't know कितना like accurate बनेगा इस पे. Let's just क्या कहता है? I don't want that color, sure. Let's say this is your browser window जिसमें तुमने spin up करा main process से. अरे भाई तुम्हारा browser window. Now this is actually being spun up by a renderer process. तो तुम्हारा renderer process is actually rendering the contents of the web page. That's why it's called a renderer, right? So अगर तुम multiple, अरे भाई connect हो जाओ, क्या हो गया? Why do you not get connected, my child? There you go. तो अब तुम्हारा जैसे ये है, imagine you have another browser window, same case over here, जहाँ पे तुम basically एक और renderer process spin up करो from the main process itself, and the main process also responsible for the application का life cycle, right? So like all the events and all जो हमारे main application and whatnot. And the thing is, your main process is actually just a node index.js thing that's running. तो तुम्हारा main process is running in your node. And तुम्हारा browser window पे the render process जो तुम्हारा browser window चला रहा है, that's your browser basically. So your renderer process does not have access to Node APIs, but your main process does. So the question is, how do they talk to each other, right? Because like one is spinning up the other, so they do have to talk to each other. And this is where तुम्हारा inter-process communication happens, जहाँ पे you're basically talking through processes, and the way you're doing it is basically through something called preload script, जहाँ पे before your browser contents render, like for example, before this thing renders, I am adding a preload script over here. You see this preload? I'm saying that listen, इस current directory का मेरे को ये preload index.js load करो, which is basically this thing over here, जहाँ पे I'm saying कि whatever context isolated blah blah blah, but this is the main part. I'm creating a bridge between the processes and I'm saying कि listen, before you load my web content, मेरे main process से ये एक भेज देना और ये एक भेज देना, right? So if you see this Electron, इसको मैं split करूँ अगर renderer में जाऊँ, okay, let's do something like that. IPC handler renderer, I think. Window.electron should be there. IPC renderer dot send, I think, right? Send ping. Was it ping? इसको ऐसे कर देते हैं. Button. Wait a second. Actually, send is a callback, right? IPC handle, I think था इसका नाम. Handle is fine. Must have one parent. Sorry, bhai. Sorry. I forget. Sorry. Send ping to main process, right? And इसके तुम्हारे on click में let's put in the IPC handle. So this is even I'm doing for the first time, but technically you should see 1 2 3 boom 1 2 3 4 चलो 4 आ गए. So that's how your thing works, जहाँ पे you're uploading the script. इस script में you're sending whatever thing you want to send, and then you can call that thing from your render process. And the thing is, यहाँ पे जैसे I've sent in ping, right? So this will be picked up in the main process. इसके लिए मेरे पास एक listener होगा. Where is my ping over here? There you go. So IPC main में मेरा ping करके event के लिए listen कर रहा है, and और channel के लिए listen कर रहा है rather. And it's saying console.log ping where I'm passing in this callback to my whatever event listener, जो भी है. So what? अरे भाई क्या नहीं समझ में आया शिवान, बताओ. I will explain from scratch. This is how, okay, for example, like, why such a roundabout way? For what? For which part? Like, you need to be able to talk to your processes, right? That you can't, if two processes, let's say तुम्हारा एक ये process है, तुम्हारा ये एक child process है जो spin up कर रहा है, the way it's still a separate process, right? You essentially are like talking to it through something, but the thing is, because this is rendering a browser window, you can't really give access to Node APIs SAE. Because the thing is, I can just tomorrow, if I'm running my desktop application, no, because okay, the reason they did that is because तुम्हारा browser window पे it's a browser, right? If I have access to all Node APIs from the browser itself, I can essentially like corrupt any system based on my code. So as a hacker, I can give someone to download my desktop application. जैसे ही desktop application खुला, I can access this file system and like corrupt it और virus वगैरह में डाल सकता हूँ. So they've isolated this whole thing. अब इसको मैं और कैसे करूँ? Can you like, हाँ, sure, why not? Dotted करते हैं, blue. So essentially they've isolated this thing कि like, oh, by the way, you can't just directly run Node APIs from your browser window. So instead what you can do is तुम अपने main process से you can send in specific things that you want, and then the browser window will be able to access those specific things through the तुम्हारा जो inter-process communication का पूरा model इन्होंने implement करा. Yeah, exactly. And it's better also that way, because like again, you don't want people just डाउनलोडिंग एप्स जहाँ पे उनका पूरा कंप्यूटर फट रहा है. तो it's like पहले place even I was confused the first like पहले को when I was reading I was confused but it made sense like when I came to this part. So to create that bridge is basically this context bridge thing comes in which should be over from Electron. Yeah, from Electron. So that's what. So basically you basically do your React application stuff or whatever. तुम जो भी framework तुम use कर रहे हो, you do that in your browser window stuff, your renderer, and then your main process पे you do your node related stuff. So it's a pretty good deal. So even API calls and all that you have to make, that you can do in the render process itself because technically it's just a website, right? But तुम्हें अगर backend, like for example, tomorrow when I make a chess application, I'm not going to be using the renderer to spin up my stockfish का process. That will happen with the main process. So for example, this test review thing जो मेरे को पता नहीं पिछले साल से बोल रहा मैं बनाऊंगा. Yeah, sure. That is the thing. So this is my main process, right? इसमें when I spin up my browser window, वो तो खुलेगा ही. कहाँ गया मेरा? तो मेरा ब्राउजर जो विंडो है वो तो खुलेगा क्योंकि obviously where will I see the chessboard and all, right? Alongside that I will spin up another process which is my stockfish process. Okay, now this can be technically it's any process like I can run a backend also, I can run whatever I want. So for a chess app this would be stockfish, isko nice little red. So this I will be doing through something called a what is it called utility process. Yeah, this is called a utility process, which is it can spam child processes from main process using utility process API. So this my renderer process will take care of renderer, and this my utility process will take care of. जहाँ पे I'm then now what I'm doing is let's do it this way कि मैं कोई मूव मारूंगा, मैं अपने मूव्स भेजूंगा मेन प्रोसेस को. दिस विल प्रोबेबली होल्ड सम गेम स्टेट. Technically not this. I'll probably have a backend जहाँ पे in the utility process itself which is holding the game state. And game state में उस stockfish को देके मैं बोलूँगा listen, analyze this, analyze का result main process को दो, main process से वापस इसको दो. So from this perspective, browser window main का this is your two-way IPC. Let's see if I can write with my right hand with the mouse. Not bad. ठीक है. And over here also it's obviously two-way. And two-way का यहाँ पे boom. So I'll use this and this for the chess application. Right now I just have to make a simple desktop application जहाँ पे मैं essentially KPI call मार रहा हूँ. तो मेरे को वो करना है. तो but it's good to know. Like जब पहले I think Steam जो करा था इससे उसमें we were doing like जब बस सेटअप करा था तो I didn't really go through all of these things. तो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया था क्या है. But then अभी docs के through आ गया. I was like, oh, it's pretty easy actually. Nothing to like worry about. So that's what. And even oh my god, even wait. इसको cancel करो एक second. Picker. Okay. PNPM dev. Here's the thing. The application has started, but it won't show up. You see this red icon? This is because my application, if I close this, red icon chala jayega. But if I open this, the red icon will come back. This is the same thing what your other application. मैं FlameShot खोलूंगा. See? FlameShot is also working on the same principle. तो इसको quit करो. इसको भी तुम quit करोगे तो quit का option है. And I've put in a shortcut basically to what do you say? Like hide it and show it up like based on my shortcut. So over here, if I go to my main process, I'm saying ki listen, where am I putting it? There you go. Global shortcut register पे. In my global shortcut, I'm registering this shortcut कि भाई मेरा control plus space जब मैं press मारूँ, अगर मेरा main window पहले visible था तो छुपा दो, अगर नहीं है तो मतलब दिखा दो. So PNPM dev. Boom. So this I'll use in Twitter. Like when I want to tweet things, I'll just come here. I'll be like, "Yeah, so मेरे को दो," and I'll hide it. So that's my. Oh, your voice back. I think. Huh, damn, that was something good. Crazy. Let me maybe invite me. Share screen. Yeah, time for a second. अभी भी लोग आ रहे हैं? No, I don't think so. Ah, okay. Pause. Okay, okay. Works. Alright. Okay, I think I should be able to see stuff over here also. Alright, not bad, not bad. चलो भाई. Hopefully it doesn't crash again. तो तब तक पानी पीते थोड़ा. Okay, खुल गया. Finally. Let's get to coding now. Also, keyboard की आवाज आ रही है क्या? Because that's like my only thing that I care about right now. So that's what. Um, did I close it? Oh, I did close it. अच्छी आवाज आ रही है. Nice, nice. Oh my god! Profound Tiger. नमस्ते, नमस्ते. कैसे हो आप? आपके दर्शन धन्य हो गए हम. जब इंडियन कमिश्नर. Okay. Anyway. Uh, Here's the thing. I need to like come up with a plan. Or do I? Do we care about styling and all right now? I don't think we do. यार ये तुम 6 पे हो ना, तुम मेरे को डरा रहे हो अब. But ठीक है. Um, let's do something. Let's do something. Let's do something. Index.ts. Um, how are they doing barrel imports? पहले मेरे टाइप्स में कैसे है? इंडेक्स. यप, परफेक्ट. ठीक है. अबे हाँ. Export const is equal to 0.1.0. Guess that works. और क्या मेरे const में? Info, I guess. Title. इसमें ये होगा ना? Something. App title. Whoopsie, my bad. Oh, actually, I could just like put it here now. 2.1.0. Technically, I don't need this. Okay, we have title description version. अभी के लिए it's good enough. इसको हटा सकते हैं. That is my app dot. Okay, let's go, boys. यहाँ पे let's start with the div. यहाँ पे भी div डाल देते हैं. Sure, let's just start like that. अबे what? Huh. That's what I'm doing here also, right? Oh, I know. TS config dot web dot JSON. My bad. Cons. I'm good from how are you? Electron and Linux. Yeah, you're using it. No, I'm using X11 only. अपना i3 चल रहा है bro तब से. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. अपना dude actually वैसे तो काफी काफी चीजें हुए हैं. We've not caught up in a long time. Long time. Uh, there you go. Oh no, I'm an idiot. That's why. I don't really like it, but it works. Yeah. The title React refers to. What do you mean? अभी तो चल रहे थे तुम. You want me to import React from React? Is that what you're saying? Makes sense. Okay then. तुम्हारा यहाँ पे H2 ये डालते हुए तुम्हारा I guess we can put it in a span. Span. You can also put in the app.version. Yeah. What is that red thing on your bar which you got scared of? It is too small for us. It is basically I think like good question. I'm not sure, but like it should not cross 6 or 8 at max. So yeah, this तो is RAM कि कितना RAM अभी चल रहा है. ये अगर 6 क्रॉस कर गए या 6 पे पहुंच गए तो इशू है. This is like when the system usually heats up, this also goes up. I don't remember कि क्या है वो. तो it's a number basically. Span, nice little span. और क्या चाहिए हमें भाई? I guess we can have a uploader. Let's put an image uploader. Right. Cons API.ts. API. Paste. Oh, actually, let's not do it this way. इसमें normally होता है. Export on space. A float with no description for now. Yeah, it's like इतना नहीं सोचते इसके. This probably should be based on environment. I'll do all that later. अभी के लिए ठीक है. Let's do it. हाँ, okay, ठीक है. Image URL, I guess. तुम्हारा this will be base URL कहाँ गया अभी तुम? Base URL / image और predictions कौन सा था? I think it was predictions. I'm not going to lie. I think it's /image /predictions or it's either ulta. अभी के लिए एक पे रख लेते हैं. I think this would make more sense. Okay, sounds good. Okay, image uploader we have. Let's make this component. Just nice little component. Image uploader. See, the thing is, I like small case. तो तुम्हारे versions क्या है? I don't really care about this. मतलब मुझे हर जगह small case अच्छा लगता है. तो right, hooks में भी अभी बनाने हैं. So let's do like image uploader itself. It's a very nitpicky thing, but I like it. You know what I mean? I like it. Export const. I'm kidding. Why am I? जब मैंने खुद का plugin बनाया तो hell yeah, dude. Function app export default. That's fine. Also, I should probably update that plugin, but it's fine. तुम्हारा ये हो गया. Basically, इस पे I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna wipe code a little bit. Just मेरे को grunt work नहीं करना basically. Plan क्या है? Let's see अगर open code के साथ crash हो गया then like good something to look forward to. Can you create a nice looking image uploader component for me under @image uploader. Let's see. Oh my god! Stream crashed twice, bro. And Twitter वाला stream तो चल भी नहीं रहा था. But yeah, let's see. Let's see क्या है. तुम्हारा ये चल रहा है. I will get that in. Yep. Image uploader, and then we can have like results over here. So GLM5 is also free for this week on open code. Oh, is it? Switch model. Oh, that's session, right? Switch model. Ah, okay, nice. I will switch abhi only. एक सेकंड implementation पढ़ लेता हूँ. Based on my message, image uploader props, current image URL base 64. What? On change, allow multiple images, max files. Right. Drag and drop zone perfect. File picker perfect. Shows thumbnails with are beautiful, dude. Size and type checking. Progress. My god, this is like amazing, dude. Uses Tailwind CSS. Are bro. Okay. What is why am I sending this? Current image. That doesn't make sense, right? Why would I? ठीक है. Start with this. Bro is a professional vibe coder now. Yeah, I know. Dude, उसने शोभित की दिल में झांके देखा. What? Anyway. Prediction result.tsx RFC. And it's not professional vibe coding, by the way. Just saying, this is your normal like prediction result, right? Okay. तुम्हारा यहाँ पे मैं prediction result पे एटलीस्ट काम करना स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ. Yes, prediction result props. Results, which is prediction का एक array, which is coming from here. Perfect. Oh, actually, image, right? Results तो है ही, but I think I also have an image. Which I believe is a string, which base URL 64. Bro, मैं कितने दिनों बाद React लिख रहा हूँ and मैं React like फिर भी नहीं भूला हूँ, which is a bit insane if you think about it. A bit insane. What do you want to upload then if not image? मैं technically वीडियो बना सकता हूँ. Prompt engineering boy, yeah. I know. Dude, अब मेरे को UI पे नहीं करना, मेरे को backend पे ज़्यादा वो करना है. तो तुम कर भी रहे हो क्या? अरे भाई क्या हो रहा है? कौन से error आ रहे तुम्हें? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, good enough. देखिए भाई इसका क्या कर रहा है? Crashed. Let's go. Application has crashed. क्या हो रहा है भाई तुम्हारा? क्या चल रहा है? चलो भाई ठीक से. चल तो रहे हो तुम. ओए ये सब नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. Okay, we'll fix that later. But yeah, this thing no. Results is equal to boom, and तुम्हारा image is equal to let's just pass in an empty string for now. Hey, let's go. अबे what? तुम अभी भी implement कर रहे हो क्या? 1 second. There's a functional programming language called Grace for proper prompting. React has become Sarcom muscle memory. Yeah, let's go, dude. Grace functional programming. Oh. Bro, anime PFP is all I need to know. But damn, कैसा दिखता है? Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I would rather just give string. But this is actually pretty interesting. Hello Alice, hello Bob. Nice. Oh, Jason दे सकते हैं. Oh, not Jason दे सकते हैं, but rather schema है ये. Nice. Impressive. Impressive. अबे तुम तब से लोड ही हो रहे हो यार, इतना भी क्या कॉम्प्लेक्स बना रहे हो? प्रिडिक्शन रिजल्ट को मत छुओ. तुम बार बार टाइप चेक वगैरह मत रन करो भाई. लेट्स नॉट. There is zero styling done. Zero styling done. कहाँ है तुम्हारी स्टाइलिंग? वेरिएंट साइज टाइप. चलो ये तो तुम्हारा वो है. ये तो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा. अपलोडर वेरिएंट्स. हाँ देखो. ओह आई गेट इट, आई गेट इट. माय बैड, माय बैड, माय बैड, माय कंप्लीटली माय बैड ड्यूड. ये मैंने पहले करा था ना, लेकिन नहीं. अरे भाई, I think it's wrong. Utils, libutils. Utils. ये तुम्हारा हो गया. Renderer lib. Actually, let's just like do that. हमारा यहाँ पे ये. Technically, this should work, right? And components तो पहले कर लिया था यार. ये मजाक मत करो मेरे साथ. Yeah, this should technically work. Why is that not working? मेरे को ये सब भी करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए, by the way. Types. Hooks में भी मैंने कुछ बनाया नहीं ना. Little bit weird. ये तुम्हारा ये सब है. क्या हो रहा है भाई? Did it actually change anything? ये तो तुम्हारा. Not as good as I thought. No, if for recursive you need these kind of pattern. Oh. Okay. चलो वो भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं. क्या मिसिंग है यहाँ पे? बताओ यार. फिर हर चीज के लिए करना तो इट विल बी टू cumbersome. Not going to lie. ये तुम्हारा @ है. चलो ठीक. Also, technically, shouldn't this not be there? नहीं, ओके चलो, इट इज फाइन यार, आई एम प्रिटी श्योर ये काम करना चाहिए, नॉट श्योर तो गूगल कर लो। इसके लिए मैंने एक आर्टिकल पढ़ा था कहीं ना कहीं, um, इसी से पूछ लेता हूँ, check my tsconfig.web and see why I'm अरे and see why I am getting that error in कहाँ पे है मेरा error, image uploader। ऑल्सो प्लस मेरे को ओपन कोड भी यूज करना है क्योंकि मेरे को इवेंचुअली इस पर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करना स्टार्ट करना है, बिकॉज उनका काफ़ी अच्छा कोड बेस है। लाइक अगर मैं कोड जाओ तो लाइक जिस पूरा इनका जो कोड है, चलो यहाँ पे तो नहीं, बस पैकेजेस के लिए है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, तो लाइक यू आर ओनली गोइंग टू कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट बेटर इफ यू यूज इट, सो दैट्स व्हाट। प्लस उनके काफ़ी बहुत सारे इश्यूज है, ठीक है, इधर ही कहीं ना कहीं होगा। और अभी तो उनका कोई रिलीज हुआ था नहीं। ए शाश्वत मेंशन, लेट्स गो। हाँ, सर्च कैसे करूँ मैं? करो भी, तुम करो। 4.1 के इश्यूज तुम देख रहे हो, 1.5 के पुल रिक्वेस्ट्स, सो ऑल दिस switching between terminals shows artifact, like just बहुत सारे bugs है bro, तो like eventually I'd like to start contributing a little bit। तुम तब तक ये करो, I will look at what needs to be done on the app level। ये आ गया तुम्हारा मैं टेलविंड भूल गया, मैं फॉन्ट मीडियम और क्लास नहीं है ना, क्लास नेम, डैम, चलो कंप्लीट मसल मेमोरी नहीं थी, एंगुलर की आदत पड़ गई। फॉन्ट मीडियम, फॉन्ट एमडी, फॉन्ट टेक्स्ट, अरे टेलमेंट क्यों नहीं चल रहा अभी? मेक श्योर टू कंसिडर एआई स्लॉप इन दोस पीआरस। नहीं, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट द कोड, माय पीआरस आर नॉट रियली एआई बेस्ड, तो व्हेन आई एम एक्चुअली ओपनिंग अ पीआर एंड लाइक कोड, लाइक आई एम राइटिंग कोड जहाँ पे I want to actually, like, I care about the project थोड़ा बहुत, I'm like नहीं भाई, no AI, like बहुत basic, like कि अच्छा ये लिख दो और मेरे को दिखा दो कैसे लिख रहे हो, I'll be like हाँ ठीक है, oh let's go lol, ठीक है, that's fine। तो but मेरे most PRs में AI मैं नहीं यूज करता हूँ, I still like programming by the way, just saying, but it has a network of trusted people। I was seeing घोस्टी का जो ऑथर है उनका लाइक प्राइम पे आए थे वो, एंड आई वाज जस्ट लिसनिंग टू देयर थिंग एंड दे वर लाइक ब्रो जस्ट झूठ तो मत बोलो अगर एआई पीआर भेज रहे हो, सो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर मैं टेलविंड भूल गया हूँ, सो लेट मी जस्ट टेलविंड बॉक्स, font is how font bold I guess, it's not working and writing print messages is boring, let's go dude, let's go। तुम तब से ये कर रहे हो brother, react is declared but its value is never read, कहाँ पे prediction result, yeah, that's fine dude, prediction results, चलो मैं भी थोड़ा डेकोरेट कर लेता है और क्या, Makes sense. वही हम स्टार्ट हुए क्या इशू दिखा रहा है नेम एक्सपेक्टेड नॉन वाइल्ड कार्ड स्ट्रिंग गॉट nil oh okay mm, I don't think मेरा tailwind चल रहा है do I have tailwind I'm supposed to have tailwind right right config yeah tailwind अबे ओ index.css css main चलो tailwind इधर भी है तुम भाई ऊपर नीचे अरे सर 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 कोई चेंज मत करो प्लीज a little bit confused but it is fine तुम लोग बताओ भाई तुम लोग क्या बना रहे हो क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में meanwhile I have this I have that तुम्हारा what else do I need just अभी के लिए yes इसको मॉक डेटा बनाने के लिए बोल लो इसको खत्म करने दो पहले अरे इतना लेट लिमिट तब तक I can write the API hook, right? Oh, this is a okay, use predictions. You are not a React component, brother. You're a React hook. There's a difference. So you can chill. Okay. इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं? I need to basically const predictions Set predictions. अरे भाई, अरे boss. Set predictions is equal to use state. Nice little predictions का array होते हुए empty array initial state const loading. Also, I could use stand stack, but it's fine. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Boolean, tomorrow false. Yeah. Async function. Get predictions. Yes. I have to protect a bit form data, right? तो उस पे मुझे accordingly करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. We'll think about how to do that. Oh, my RAM is high. Okay. I don't think that really works that way. ये कौन सा, मैं तो पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ ये. Okay. Is it just that? I am sorry. I am sorry. I am truly sorry. Regarding afternoon stream, yeah, dude. अभी तो schedule is like तुम्हारा Thursday and all. तुम्हारा मैं styling क्यों नहीं देख पा रहा यहाँ पे? What is wrong with this thing? Font. I don't know. Extra light. I can't see my stylings being applied. That is the issue. Why are you not being applied? Ah. Is it because of that? Shouldn't you not be here? And this we need. Let's try with this. Something. Okay. So no stream tonight and tomorrow. Tomorrow, not sure. रात को तो stream. Like I'm thinking Thursday शाम को और Friday शाम को. Right now for Thursday, but I think Friday would be more convenient. But let's see. So it's Thursday from 5 to 7, and Saturday it's from 1:30 to 4:30 usually. Unless मेरा एक जो चीज 6 या 5 से 7 होता है, अगर वो पहले हो गया, then like I'll delay the stream after that. So because that Saturday का मेरा usually important रहता है, so I can't miss that. So I've put it on the channel also कहीं ना कहीं. But basically like Saturday 1:30 to 4:30, and then तुम्हारा Thursday is 5 to 7. So no stream tonight. Tomorrow let's see. Tomorrow I have work. I have some stuff to take care of. So tomorrow I don't think होएगा. But yeah, अभी तो I want to be more regular with streaming. So let's see. And I've just not coded like React in a while, dude. Can you cook that? Mark. Yeah, the thing is, I don't need all this. Okay, so it did work because this is working. Hmm. तुम्हारा CSS चल रहा है पर टेलविंड नहीं चल रहा. I think this is fine. This is fine. What tailwind do I have? 4.1. Yeah, 4.1 should work. Oh, I don't have post CSS and all. Arre. Electron, white, tailwind. Yep, ये करा है मैंने. शर्ट सीएम था ना. तो ये एक स्पेसिफिक आर्टिकल मैंने पढ़ा था. Yeah. This is done. हमारा ये भी काम कर रहा है. Okay, let's try to upload and see. Sure. अरे भाई छोड़ छोड़. It's fine. और react डॉट टू स्टेट बहुत रिएक्ट कर रहा है भाई. This works, dude. क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा? मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, मैं खुद ही कर लेता हूँ. मैं खुद ही कर लेता हूँ. Yeah, I know, right? Like I've seen like Prime and all use it Steam में, and मेरे को use करना है ही, कुछ like मेरे को जानने के लिए ओपन कोड कैसे काम करता है, like कहाँ पे ब्रेक हो सकता है या फिर जो भी. But like just I would rather do it myself. हर उसमें तुम टाइप चेक योर. हद है यार. It is okay. You added. चलो चेक मारते हैं. ये 2 बार क्यों हो रहा है? ओह चलो. चेंज ही क्या करा उसने? ओह ओके ओके. स्टाइलिंग तो काम नहीं कर रहा, बट ठीक है, वी डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, ब्राउज फाइल्स. श्योर. एंड अगर मैं सीधा ये करूं, कहा गया फाउंड नेटवर्किंग. ये 2 बार क्यों हो रहा है, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप एंड ये मैं तुम एक करो ना. ओके. Oh, I think like this is two inputs itself, right? इधर क्लिक करूंगा तो हो जाएगा. Yeah, okay. चलो, works. ठीक है. मेरा हुक का है तब तक. The thing is that it won't get what you want for a very premature fair. Predictions URL तुम्हारा body, right? Actually, not going to lie, I have not done a fetch request in a while. Fetch request JavaScript. काफी टाइम हो गया fetch request करे हुए. बॉडी ऐसी जाती थी ना. मेथड पोस्ट या ठीक है, समझ गया. पोस्ट बॉडी वाज करेक्ट. यहाँ पे मेरे को फॉर्म डेटा भेजना है बेसिकली. राइट. API response of no. वो इसमें नहीं आएगा, right? Const actually just a second, let's do this. Yes. Response. Just API response of my ओके, बेसिक बन गया। दिस इज लाइक जस्ट मैं बॉयलर प्लेट रेडी कर रहा हूँ ताकि मैं चीज कर पाऊँ जो मैं करना चाह रहा हूँ। बेसिकली मेरे को स्टाइलिंग मेन चलाना था, बट इट्स फाइन। predictions image get predictions, right? Mm, by the way, chat, सबको पानी तो पीना चाहिए, but I have started maintaining an app. अबे ज्यादा पानी भर दिया क्या मैंने आज का? मैं ऐप पे लॉक कर रहा हूँ कितना पानी पी रहा हूँ, तो लेट मी जस्ट चेक मैंने एक्स्ट्रा लॉक कर दिया क्या? आई डोंट थिंक सो, बट लेट्स सी। तुम बटन बटन तो आ गए हो, विच इज ग्रेट। अरे भाई हटो। 324 324 324, अभी 324 है ना? नहीं नहीं नहीं, एक हटाओ एक हटाओ, डिलीट। यस, नाइस, काफी अच्छा। ऐसा ऐप आता है? अरे भाई, ऐसा एक ऐप आता है जिसमें पूरा दिखाते हैं कितना पिया तुमने। बड़ी हेल्पफुल। मेरे को अगर नेटवर्क कॉल देखना है तो ओह ऑफ कोर्स परफेक्ट। ओह डूड, जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉन की कंप्लेंट करता है, आई मीन कम ऑन, लेट्स बी रियलिस्टिक। ओह बिकॉज इमेज एम्प्टी है। I would just code like the thing is I've done React for quite a while now, and I've also done Angular a bit. Like I'm still getting better at Angular, and React also like it's not like I'm at a senior engineer stage. I would just like I have my own patterns that I follow when I make a React application, so that just helps for me to code however I wanted to. When you say live coding now, in the sense like as in I make a project in front of them, or like they will ask me React questions and then I have to code it out, something like that. What do you mean by that exactly? तुम क्यों नहीं चल रहे हो भाई? Also, dude, I love Electron. I'm not gonna lie. This is amazing. सारे बैंगलोर मीटअप्स के no, but this is not right. That's not what I want. It's not even relevant. Is it not even like um look at this thing. क्या रह रहा है भाई तुम्हारे पास? स्ट्रीम अटक गई है? फेस कैम स्ट्रक, मेरे पे तो चल रहा है। ओह इट इज स्टक, लुक एट दैट। कैसे रीस्टार्ट करे तुम्हें? अब ठीक नहीं, बट वो तो रिकॉर्डिंग में है ना। शिकायत इलेक्ट्रॉन से नहीं है फिलहाल, शिकायत कोड से है कि वो इलेक्ट्रॉन रैपर क्यों है। इज इट वर्किंग नाउ? शक्ल दिखा दे। शिकायत कोड से कि वो इलेक्ट्रॉन रैपर क्यों है। क्यों नहीं? दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग राइट। अरे भाई क्या हो रहा है, ये तो इनसेन। एक सेकंड ब्रो, आज तो लाइक आई डोंट थिंक द यूनिवर्स वांट्स मी टू स्ट्रीम बट यू नो। ओ आ गया, दैट वाज वियर्ड। ओके ठीक हो जा भाई। ओके अब चल रहा है राइट। ओके आई थिंक अब चल रहा है। Why does one need download 3 gigs to start writing C C++? Because you are installing a, because you're not writing C C++. No, it's, you can say you're writing C++, but you're not writing C++. You're writing JavaScript, and that requires a browser engine to execute JavaScript. And that browser engine is written in C. So you're not writing C, you're writing JavaScript. And अगर C में ही लिखना है तो C में अपना desktop application बना दो. It's that simple, dude. It's just a choice. And I don't think your end application का जो bundle है, that's going to be 3 gigs. It's just going to be your JavaScript compiled to like whatever it compiles to. I don't know, like desktop application, how JavaScript will compile to a binary. But like whatever it is, I don't think like उसका bundle size is so big कि तुम्हारे 2 GB का तो application बन रहा है. Yeah, I don't think so at least. Oh, okay. Waiting. Like even as a developer perspective, you're saying right कि like क्यों करना पड़ रहा है, which like it's fine, dude. Like तुम अपना browser चला रहे हो, you're just downloading that locally. Like I don't see anything wrong with it. ऐसे तो React native is bad. React is also technically bad. ऐसे तो wrapper, if wrapper is the problem, VS का onboarding. Oh, VS Code, I don't know. I know that's an Electron. Oh, actually, we could go through VS Code का code base, but let's not do it right now. थोड़ी देर बात करेंगे. VS Code का onboarding. Okay, see, here's the thing. I don't have a problem with VS Code. It used to take up my mother's full Vodafone plan. Oh, okay, that I don't know. That's probably just bad code. Or Microsoft just being Microsoft. You never know. But the thing is VS Code itself, like अगर VS Code Electron में लिखा मुझे उससे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जो प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, it's like उसको लाइट वेट मत बुलाओ. लाइक लाइट वेट किसके कंपैरिजन में? We're talking about writing C++ in Visual Studio, not VS Code. Oh, okay. Oh, brother. I am with you on that. I am completely with you on that. 100%. I don't think C sharp kill. Oh no, you do need to require in like you do need to install like the requirements, right? Yeah, 100% with you on that. You talk to Microsoft about that, not me. मेरे को इसका आंसर नहीं पता. When Ruby says he needs all the heavy tools in Clion, yeah. Why would someone, dude? Honestly, Visual Studio is a genuinely underrated editor. I've been using it at work for all the backend stuff because अपना C sharp में है ही. It is so underrated. Uska debugger, you cannot beat it. You can see like your threads and processes का जो जितना memory ले रहा है and whatnot. तुम्हारे like immediate option दिखता है कि like मेरा current value किसी variable का क्या है जहाँ पे whatever like for example if I have a long list I can just open, there is some like I don't remember what that tab is called. You can just see like what my value is for the list in that and it could be huge list. तुम्हें पूरा interface वगैरह दे देगा. Debugging के लिए it's amazing and you add in Vim motions over there, you know, you're good to go. Although जो Vim motions में use कर उसमें there is one bug जहाँ पे मैं control D जब करता to half jump वो line duplicate कर देता है, which I don't know why that happens. But honestly, dude, like Visual Studio, if you're using C Sharp and .NET, amazing application. And the thing with C Sharp का point is like it's such. I used to judge C Sharp because I thought it looked like Java, but it's so much better. तुम्हारा .NET WatchOS, you can make a watch application with C Sharp, like a whole watch application. I don't know what this is. आजा भाई. या जो भी है तुम्हारा कहीं पे तो है. Control D is Microsoft family for duplicate shortcut. Oh, okay. I'll probably look at that. I'll check. I know I can override it. मैंने थोड़े override करे हैं. तो I should check that. मैं by the way क्या check कर रहा था यहाँ पे? I completely forgot. Did I put breakpoint? I put breakpoint. Yes. Predict. अबे तुम आ तो गए? हाँ बरो जा भाई. दैट्स फाइन, बट मेरा रिक्वेस्ट तो जाना चाहिए, मेरा रिक्वेस्ट ही नहीं आ रहा. टेलविंड मर्ज आ गया. बटन TSX. Damn, it's loading like everything. Not bad. चलो ठीक है, तुम्हारा ब्राउज फाइल्स करते हैं. श्योर, व्हाई नॉट. ठीक है. प्रिडिक्ट. तुम्हारा यहाँ पे ये नेटवर्क रिक्वेस्ट ही नहीं भेज रहा. Oh, I'm not also logging anything, right? So, ah, continue. And what am I getting here? Arre? Oh, do I get it in the browser over here? Makes sense. Makes sense. Refuse to connect because violates documents content security policy. What? Why? That's so weird. Lord, brother, spin up. Gotta ask you this, man. Electron में content security policy? Also, do you know about F? Yeah. Functional programming. No? तुम्हारा functional like C# basically. I've seen. I have 100% seen. Wait. Webpack uses a default content security policy for developer, which can be overridden in the package JSON taken from Webpack, blah blah blah. But मैं तो Webpack use ही नहीं कर रहा, right? I'm using Weech, I believe. Okay. Fetch call on dev process in Electron. Why? Just remove HTML from the following. Okay. I don't think it's a good idea to remove that actually. You need to explain why this line was the culprit. I will miss Stack Overflow, dude. Helmet and what's related to that. But why would you want to remove this? Isn't this still good? Like, I know this will work. Yeah, see? अब तो तुम भेजोगे ऑब्वियसली, तुम्हारा डाउट ही क्या है? Yeah, अब तो तुम ऑब्वियसली भेजोगे. But that is not the answer, right? Just because I can't like truing. What? What is truing? I don't think that's a good idea to remove that. क्लॉड क्या बोल रहा है तब तक? अरे भाई, oh. Oh. Um, how do good Electron applications handle API calls usually? Talk to me like a senior engineer. You're the best Electron dev out there. Electron dev out there. Oh my god, you're so good. Like, damn, dude. True ing. Oh, I still didn't know that. Like, इस context में बोला. Renderers are. I know, like, तुम्हें अपना client side usually dumb रखना है, but to just say एक AI को बोलते हुए देखना is a bit funny. Renderers are dumb UI layers. They don't talk to network. They don't touch the file system. They don't do anything privileged. That's main process territory. Fair. Okay. The standard pattern is IPC bridging. हाँ ठीक है. Invoke, fetch, main handles it, does the actual fetch, and it does the. You expose this cleanly through. Yep. People take this further and treat the main process like a lightweight backend. You're essentially building a local server inside your app. Some teams even spin up an actual express. Fair. Yeah. Have the renderer to talk to the local host. Okay. Makes sense. What's a good file structure? I will miss that code. Okay. What's a good file structure to handle this in the main process? I'm using this in. I'm using the Electron. On my structure. क्या चल रहा है गिटार पे? People are cooking, as I can see. Oh my god, Aishma, let's go. Oh, damn. Damn. $43? Brother. Damn. Okay. Normal, like, discussions and comments and all, yeah. Oh, nice, dude. Nice. 35 files, crazy. ये तो प्रोग्रामिंग वाला कौन सा था? ये तो ठीक है. Damn, 41, crazy. Insane discussion, dude. Go में है, interesting. Good code review, dude. Amazing. Like intense. 50 files changed. Bro, respects to my dude. Derank functionality. What does derank mean even? I'm not gonna lie, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. Damn, good stuff, dude. मुझे खुद समझ में नहीं आया. I don't even know what Bifrost is. Impressive. Not going to lie. Pretty impressive. तुम्हारा क्लॉड ने आंसर दे दिया. IPC services. Okay, handlers for got it. तुम स्क्रॉल हो जाओ बॉस. क्या होगा अभी? अरे This is your IPC index prediction auth. Okay. तुम्हारा prediction dot is actual services. Oh, makes sense. Preload पे तुम्हारा ये है and okay. Handles are just routing. Got it. Ah. Okay, and how would the prediction register look like? We're just calling the event listener inside the function. Nice. Actually, we can try that abhi itself. IPC services. So over here, instead of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to register IPC handlers. Right. IPC. Right. Encapsulate IPC main. Correct. So तुम्हारा predictions. This is my मेरे मेन में बताओ क्या है. This is there, but where is my send data. Get, I did like that. Okay, okay. Um, um, main IPC handlers. क्या नाम दूँ उसका? IPC main wrapper. बेसिकली मुझे ये करना है. Event image callback. Does that make sense? Shared and whatnot, right? Okay. Hmm. Whoa. Function is a code smell. Interesting. R is my return type, T is my value, right? Is my return type, callback, which should return a promise, right? Callback, which is value of T, should return a promise of T. Wrapper, ICT main async wrapper. एक तो async wrapper रखेंगे जिसमें we have this, we have that. What else is there? क्या error है? Event is declared but it's not recorded. R is promise R, right? So instead of doing this, I can essentially say key IPC main async wrapper get predictions, and I can be like, hey, this should return void, which it shouldn't return void, but just for a second abhi karte hai. And my type is a string. Oh, beautiful. Let's go. Let's go. Predictions get. तुम्हारा. What else did it mention? Oh, IPC channels. This is actually a good idea. Yeah. I like that idea. तुम्हारे शेड में जाएगा, correct. Yeah, domain action is idiomatic electron keeps your ICPC. Get predictions payload. That makes sense. So अभी के लिए let's do something. Yeah. ठीक है, ग्रंट वर्क मैं थोड़ा ऑफ स्ट्रीम करूंगा. अभी के लिए लेट्स जस्ट रिटर्न i4. It's an array of predictions, right? So promise, it's an array of object. अभी के लिए just see if it works or not. I'll clean up later. तुम्हारा सर्विसेज में हो गया, तुम्हारे आईपीसी में ये हो रहा है. Yes, because it's not returning this, it's returning an array of this thing, which is x number, y number. Yes, predictions colon get. So I need to call this over here, register prediction handlers, and वो उसमें मेरा हो रहा है. Then I need to go to renderer. I need to go to my app serve. Nope. Oh, so now in my renderer, which is basically React, in my hooks, I can actually call the IPC stuff to get the data from there. That makes sense, right? Yeah, got it. That I thought मैं करने वाला था. एक second. Nice. It's also 4, so I think like I can close off the stream. बस तो 4:30 तक है, but it's a good start. Basically मुझे schedule पे थोड़ा like आना है stream को लेके, तो let's see. I think it's a good 2-hour stream. काफी कुछ at least मेरे को कुछ सीखने को मिला in the sense like I have a lot of things to now execute and like I have a clear plan कि कैसे करना है. So I'll probably do that off stream, and I've got some stuff to get done. So I'll be closing the stream. Thank you for joining. सबने जिसने join करा, and I will see you all in the next stream. चलो, bye bye.